The company came into being with the mission to simplify the complexities of the existing education system and to make learning easy. Our team is working towards creating simplified learning system through simplified teaching methods. With a vision to quality, affordable and simplified learning system for the children even in the remotest part of the country. The company aims to make Mastermind a synonym of simplified and quality education. Our team comprises of our director, Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, a CA by profession and an educationist by heart. Our senior vice president, Mr. Rajesh Jha, MBA, with 25 years of experience in marketing, with specialization in reading the pulse of the market. Our national coordinator, Mr. Himanshu Singh, with 30 years of experience in marketing and development. Our head of IT department, Mr. Dilip Jangir, a software engineer. Our HOD of training, Mr. Avinash Sharma, with 15 years of experience in training. And a team of qualified and experienced teachers, animators and technicians. Mastermind the journey. In the year 1996, Mastermind Tutorials started with computer education. In 1998, 30 franchisee outlets were set up, offering easy and affordable computer education. In 1999, the franchisee strength grew to 60. In 2002, Write Right, a unique handwriting-related program, was introduced. Write Right addresses every aspect of writing. At Write Right, we analyze, repair, and add speed and style to writing of children, individuals, and corporate. We have an expertise in professional graphology. We are the proud brand leaders in handwriting world with 1,000 plus franchisees worldwide. In August 2004, Mastermind was formally incorporated as a private limited company. Now it is Mastermind Tutorials Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. In 2006, we stepped into the Abacus training market for kids with Mastermind Abacus, a combination of ancient calculating system and the modern technology, providing speed-building software and online games which help in adding speed to mathematical calculations. We provide online exams facility for all trainees and advanced online trainings for teachers with the help of Virtual Abacus, which teaches actual process of calculations on an Abacus instrument. Mastermind Abacus has a huge market with ever-increasing awareness among parents and their increasing will to spend. As on date, we have more than 1,000 plus franchisee centers worldwide. In the year 2008, the company took the responsibility of reintroducing the ancient Indian and world's fastest calculating system, Mastermind Vedic Maths, a system that facilitates calculations 10 times faster than conventional metric system. In 2010, we ventured in the e-education segment with MastermindOnlineStudy.com, ensuring online trainings of all franchise training programs, followed by online services and operations for all franchisees. Today we can proudly say that we are a paperless office. Our exclusive IT department is working round the clock towards simplifying the education system by indulging into the modern technology. We are into education film production and content development through our team of teachers, animators, editors. Our R&D team strongly believes that individualized learning that is interesting, inspiring, and a little more than the textbooks, and above all, that can be fun to learn and is deliverable in a personal style to one and all, is the only way to address the Indian dream, education for all. Here we are with MastermindOnlineStudy.com, offering classroom solutions, online solutions, personal learning solutions, mass learning solutions, teachers training solutions, with exceptional opportunity for easy learning and teaching. Mastermind Online Study is a great teaching tool where textbooks are rewritten to redefine teaching and learning and enhancing abilities of teachers and retention by students by helping them understand what is being taught. Mastermind Online Study offers classroom solutions with content matching the Indian school's syllabus, developed by a team of qualified and experienced teachers and presented in the form of animated, interactive videos, making it easy to understand and retain. It makes students to participate, adding to the motivational aspect, and voice-over by Indians in neutral accent.
Sectors, quadrants, arcs, circumference
makes it understandable across the country. Mastermind Online Study offers teaching solutions through its quality content, which is easy to access and explain, and fulfills the demand of quality teaching and teachers at every place, thereby creating equal opportunity for students even in the remote villages. It also breaks the monotony of the usual board and chalk. The application allows using the digital board as a normal whiteboard. It gives teachers liberty to add content and saves them for later use, avoiding repetition. Mastermind Online Study also offers the unique advantage of mass learning and teaching, as the entire curriculum can be accessed online, thus allowing uniform teaching material and learning opportunity across the country. Mastermind Online Study offers personal solutions, as the complete study material is also available on DVD for those who want individual and personal learning options. It offers basic understanding and explanation of chapters, followed by solved examples, model questions, test papers for self-assessment, and NCERT solutions. The fact is that you hear, you forget. You see, you remember. Visual impacts are far greater than only hearing. Every school must opt for Mastermind Online Study classes.